Hey, it's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2016 Ram 2500 Power Wagon in flame red color, powered by the Hemi 6.4 liter V8 engine. Underneath the hood, this is a crew cab configuration truck with the 6-foot box on the back. And it does have two-toned exterior colors, so the main color is flame red, but as you can see, it has some black on there too. Black door handles on the outside on all 4 doors, clearance lights on top of it. This has projector style halogen headlamps, light up the road in front of you. High beams are right there, LED running lights, which are also the turn signals, 2 fog lamps on the front bumper. You do have that chrome grille with red inserts, looks sharp. The Ram badge there. Front and rear bumpers are chrome. 2 big tow hooks on the front bumper. This does have a winch. This truck is ready to go 4x4. It's always good to have a winch. And this truck is running on 17-inch chrome rims, and they look very good. And the tires are BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. And yeah, they're ready to take on the tough stuff. And there's mud flats behind all 4 tires. Both driver and passenger side door mirrors have built-in LED turn signal lights, and these are heated mirrors as well. There are LED convenience lights built into the bottom of the mirrors that come on when you unlock the truck. Open up the driver's side door here. All right, here is the door panel. There's storage down below with 2 big cup holders, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic. Chrome door handles on the inside on all 4 doors. This does have power folding in mirrors. So if you press this button once, they'll fold in. If you press it again, they'll fold back out. Boom, just like that. Two-toned interior colors as well. This has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Dimmer knob there. That button will turn on the box lights. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. This has a leather wrapped steering wheel. Feels great in your hands. Is a tilt steering wheel too. This does have power adjustable pedals. So you can move the pedals closer or further away from your feet using those buttons right there. Handle right here, so you can lift yourself into this truck because it does sit high above the ground a bit. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. This does have cloth seating throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Ram 2500 Power Wagon. Power sunroof up top. As you can see, this is what the middle seat looks like when the middle console is flipped up. And there is storage space underneath here. So feel free to hide anything down there. Easily close that back up like this, and you can pull this down. And there's 3 big cup holders in the middle here with bubbles to hold your cups into place. Nice materials here for your arms to rest on. Grab this chrome handle, even more storage space, and there's a change holder, and there's a USB port, an auxiliary port, and SD card port in here, connect to media. Plug anything into those areas, and you can play music through the Alpine Sound System, and there's a power outlet there as well. There's 3 big cup holders down below here, a little ledge there for some things, and this is the 4-wheel drive. I like how it's a knob, so you can easily engage the 4x4 system. And this has an auto dimming rear view mirror. Let's go check out the back seat area. All right, there's storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, power window switch, nice Ram badge, great style. Convenience handle right here for people in the back seat area. Built into the floors, there are insulated, removable in-floor storage areas. You put ice in here, you keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold, and if it gets dirty, you can remove it and clean it. There's 2 cup holders down here, 2 more cup holders right here on the armrest. Easily flip this back up if you don't want it down. Adjustable headrest in the back seats too. Hooks up above so you can hang up nice clothing, so if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. the interior lamp right there. Push it with your hand, it'll come on and act as a reading lamp. Push it again, it'll shut off. Extra speakers up here connected to the Alpine Sound System. There's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat, and there's directional air vents down here. The seats do flip up like so, and you have this fold out gate here, and you put things underneath or on top for storage. If you're not using them, easily flip them back like this, and underneath here there is even more storage space, and there's a clip here so you can secure this if you like, and that goes right back down. There's plenty of foot room and a good amount of headroom in the back seat of this Ram Power Wagon. Okay, so this has LED tail lamps on the back. The box lights are just up there. Those black dots on the back bumper are rear ParkSense Parking Sensors. Spot for a trailer hitch down below here with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this Ram Power Wagon. Backup camera is built into the tailgate handle right here. Open up the tailgate. This does have spray and bed liner, and there's hooks in all four corners so you tie on your load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. And this is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All four doors will lock, and so will the tailgate. Alright, so storage, place for an arm, power window switch, looking good, Ram badge, of course the convenience handle right here, pocket on the back of the passenger seat too, insulated, removable, in-floor storage area. That also flips up like so, and of course there's the fold-out gate here, so you can put things underneath or on top of that gate, and there's two cutouts for the cup holders in the middle, which I think is a clever touch. Easily folds back, just like this if you're not using it. Underneath here is a subwoofer for the Alpine Sound System. Adds the exceptional sound quality. You clip it up and secure it if you don't want people to see that subwoofer. And this comes down just like so. Front passenger side here. Storage down below with two cup holders. Storage in the middle. Power locks, power window switch. Love it. Passenger seat is manual adjustment. Underneath the passenger seat are the tire shifting tools, which allows for easy access. And there's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. Lower glove box here with a manual. Upper glove box here with a convenience light. Spot for some pens, packs of gum, directional air vent, which can close and open. And of course the convenience handle here for the front passengers so they can easily lift themselves inside this truck. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. Okay, so this is the key fob. There's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button, and a nice Ram badge on the back. This does have remote start. All you gotta do is press this button twice. Those will lock, and then the truck will start right up. Boom, just like that. Then all you gotta do is hit the unlock button like this, hop inside the Ram here, using the key fob, go over to the side and push it into ignition like so. All you gotta do is turn it to get past the remote start system. There you go, check it out, Power Wagon. Now, this does have a LCD driver information center screen in the middle, and the first thing you'll see is that this truck has 127,771 kilometers on it, which is not too bad, so definitely come book a test drive soon. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through the information center. And the first thing you'll see is that there is a digital speedometer, which you can change the miles per hour if you're going to the States. You have your vehicle info area, lets you know your engine hours, tire pressures for all four tires, transmission temperature, oil life, full-on gauge summary, and back to your engine hours. Fuel economy page lets you know your fuel range on your tank of fuel, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold this button here and you can easily reset that. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, your average vehicle speed, and the time you're driving for. Hold this button here, you can reset one or both of those. Trailer tow area lets you know what the gain's set at. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case this Ram wants to tell you something. Screen setup here so you customize the screen, make it more of your own. There's a compass, thermometer, clock, fuel range. Customize all those in screen setup right here. I like how you can do that. And back to the digital speedometer. And if you open up any door on this truck, it will let you know which door on the truck is opened. Nice big Ram badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right, and behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls. That allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. Bluetooth buttons right here. You can answer calls that come through Bluetooth using that button right here, and this does have voice recognition. Cancel.
Canceled.
Using voice recognition, you can tune into a specific radio station just by using your voice, which I think is really neat. Automatic transmission right here with your gear selection buttons right there. And if I throw this truck into reverse, your rear ParkSense Parking Sensors shows up on the screen here. So if you get close to an object as you're backing up, it'll show you on the screen here how close you're getting to an object, and you'll also hear audible beeps. And the closer you get to an object, the louder those beeps will get. And the backup camera appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up, which is super cool. Directional air vents in the middle here, which you can easily adjust, and you can close and open these. There's a nice Ram badge there, a little spot for some things. Up here is the logo for the Alpine Sound System, letting everybody know that you have that fantastic sound system. And down here, you have your axle unlock, front and rear locking differentials. So you have front and rear, or you can just lock the rear by itself. And this does have a sway bar. Trailer brake controller right here, traction control, tow/haul mode. This does have hill descent assist. You turn off the rear ParkSense parking sensors just by pressing that button right there. Press it again, they come back on. Heated seats up front, and there's 2 settings for both. And this has a heated steering wheel. These are the physical buttons. 115 volt AC power outlet. Another spot for some pens or packs of gum. USB port right there, fantastic for charging devices. This does have dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the Ram to adjust your climate control for you. Easily adjust your van speed right here. Driver's temperature, passenger temperature, air conditioning recirculate button, front defrost. This will turn on the heated mirrors. Tuning knob, browse button for your audio, volume knob, mute button. Turn the screen off here if you don't look at it. Touch it with your finger. It comes back on. You have your hazards and a back button to help you guide through your system. And this is the touchscreen Uconnect system, right? Turn the volume. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? I could definitely listen to music in this truck while driving down a muddy, dirty road using 4-wheel drive. Turn back down just like this. You can direct tune into a specific radio station just like that. Adjust your audio. You have your balance fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, surround sound mode, and more. Presets up top here. Hold one of these with your finger and you can easily set a preset. It says AM, FM radio, and Sirius XM media button here. So if you have something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, a Bluetooth device connected, or something in the SD card port, go here. You can listen to music through those areas. Touchscreen controls for the heated seats up front, the heated steering wheel. You have your mirror dimmer right here and access to the backup camera. It's cool that you can access it without the truck being in reverse. Uconnect app showing you all the cool stuff that you have. Touchscreen climate control, easily adjust where you want the air to go. Adjust your fan speed. You can unsync and sync the temperatures. Set the temperature with just your finger and more. Turn the screen off right here as well. Touch with your finger, comes back on. Bluetooth area here, connect the phone, make hands-free calls. Everything you would do on your phone to make a call, you can do hands-free on the touchscreen Uconnect system right here. And you can pair more than one device. And there's tons of visibility out the front window. You really do feel like you're the king of the road when driving this truck. There's a programmable garage door opener up here, switch for the rear sliding window, reading lamps, fold down sun visors with convenience mirrors and convenience lights, so you and your passenger can see what you look like. These are breakaway and they do slide out. So I just did with the passenger side here. You can do with the driver's side sun visor as well. And buttons right here for the power sunroof. Just press the button once and the power sunroof will open up right before your eyes. Lovely. The interior is very spacious. All the controls are very easy to use. Power Wagon is a very unique model. It's the 2016 Ram 2500 Power Wagon in flame red, powered by the Hemi 6.4 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab configuration truck with the 6-foot box on the back. This thing is more than capable of going off-road. The engine's actually very quiet. It's a smooth ride, and it's a real looker. Everybody will notice you if you drive this truck. So come to Crosstown today and see if it's going to be yours. I'm man David, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.